Now we're going to talk about lead time. What does that mean? The lead time when you're using the system from Primo here is that you're shortening it dramatically. Why? If you look into the system, what we know in the market today, you first have to cut the profiles, then you have to mount them. It is time consuming in this way here, and then you also have to glue the profiles. The disadvantage you also have here is water can get in, it is getting untied, so ice is sitting here, and the door is not very flexible when you're opening and closing the door. If you look at the Primo system here, you have the advantage that you cut the profiles, you weld them to a frame, you put the glue inside, you mount it in a very, very short lead time, and you have anti-friction on, so the door is very easy to open and close. So you have a lot of good selling points against your customer, but you also have a short lead time and you have the best product in the market available.